Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking time? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to revolutionize your meal prep, making delicious food easier than ever before. Imagine replacing 9 kitchen appliances with just one sleek device. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and so much more, saving you precious counter space. This incredible versatility means you can effortlessly switch from a quick weeknight dinner to a gourmet slow-cooked meal, all with a single pot. With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking is genuinely stress-free. Just select soup, chili, or poultry, and let the Instant Pot handle the rest. Even complex recipes become simple, perfect for busy families or anyone looking to enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals without the fuss. And cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, ensuring healthy cooking and effortless maintenance. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is how it combines advanced technology with user-friendly design, transforming your daily cooking experience. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and discover the best pressure cooker of 2025, click the Amazon link in our description to learn more. This isn't just an appliance, it's a smart kitchen essential that will save you time, effort, and bring joy back into your cooking. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious, and healthier cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have.